Hey, what's going on this morning there, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following this channel for any amount of time, then you guys should remember this rig right here. This is my Kyosho Outlaw Rampage. This was a ready to run, but it's pretty much a Outlaw Rampage Pro now, as you can see. It just doesn't have the skid plates and a couple other small pieces. Pretty much converted to an Outlaw Rampage Pro with the cage and all. So it's been a fun rig. It hasn't got a lot of screen time, but all of that is about to change. That truck's been a fun truck. It's been beat and rebuilt and beat and rebuilt, and finally to the place where it's at now. It's back to just a brush truck with a simple ESC, a simple servo, and it does really good. It's still kind of clumsy. These trucks have always been clumsy as far as I'm concerned, but it's still a good rig. But I'm going to show you the reason why this thing is going to start making its appearance back on the channel. I get a phone call yesterday from a friend of mine that I've known for 25, 30 years. And he's been out of the hobby for 2-3 years or so. And he's asked me, he's like, man, what's out there as far as you know, a decent rig just to have something to do and take up his time. So only thing I can tell him is I can't really tell you what's out there or not. I mean, I know what's on the market, but I don't know what's here local. I don't know what your interests are and so forth. And this happens to be a guy that I used to race with the short course late models and the short course East Coast modifieds and things like that up on dirt oval. So he's looking for something kind of like a slash. And yeah, so he comes over and we take a ride to the hobby shop. We get there, he walks around, he takes a look at everything on the wall, and he picks up he sees this one kit. And so we take it down off the wall, he takes a look at everything in the box, and he's hooked right then. So he bought this kit, brought it back to the shop here, and we threw this thing together last night, and man, did it turn out nice. What I'm talking about is a legit Kyosho Outlaw Rampage Pro kit. This is what he bought last night. Now, it's not completely ready. It doesn't have the servo in it or any of the electronics. But this thing turned out amazing. It is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if the camera is going to do any justice for it, but the paint on this thing is phenomenal. One in the light, one way it looks blue. It is blue. It was shot blue. It's called a Brilliant Blue by Traxxas, part number 5054, if I'm not badly mistaken. And holy crap, backed it up with white. And so now if you put this thing down on the bench under the lights, one way it looks blue, the other way it looks purple. But this is a gorgeous rig. So he's going to get this thing finished. And obviously there's going to be a lot of run time between this one, mine, and a couple of the other guys that hang out at the hobby shop. But look for a lot more to come. But what I'm going to do now is we took video last night during the process of building this truck. Now, this video that you're going to see is absolutely raw, and there may be a little colorful language in there from me because I couldn't believe what I saw when he pulled this thing out of the box. Put it this way, between this rig, his, and mine, if we were to get out there and go racing right now, it's like him bringing a gun to a knife fight. There's so much stuff on this truck that I wish I had on mine, but I will have it eventually. So here's a video. Please don't hate me for some of the language in here, but we're two old friends that just get together and hang out. So there's no telling what you may hear, but take a look and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Kyosho Outlaw Rampage Pro. Okay, let's see what the hell that thing's got in there. Holy shit. Look at this. Go ahead, man. Show it your rig. I just want to see. That body's $100. If you find a clear one, if you find a painted one, oh my God. Are you serious? Dude, it's got the spares on the back already. You got to be kidding me. So all you got to do, damn, I can't believe it. See, this right here was a pain in the butt. It's hang the shop. It's got anti-roll bars on the front. Mine ain't got that shit. And limiters on the back. You got to be kidding me. No flipping way. That's bad, dude. Look, see, the anti-rolls, or sway bars on.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't got sway bars on. That's why mine does this damn nose diving crap. You're going to put on a class is what you're going to do. Because this is going to act a hell of a lot different than mine. I'm going to tell you that. Golly, Pete. And see, look, the cool thing about it, you can set it up for like it's a mock, but a Ford grill or a Chevrolet grill, like the old round bodies. Mm-hmm. It's got light buckets, so if you wanted to put LEDs in it, dude. Oh, you suck. Hang on. Hold on. Now, this has got me now. This has got me. All right. This is a stock tire that came off of mine. Feel that and then feel that.
Hard to tell.
Feel them.
I know. Soft.
That makes me sick. Oh, I'm sick. Dude, that's bad, man. I can't believe you got roll bars on, or sway bars on both ends. That makes me madder than hell.
I didn't know I was going to stick the tires on it.
Well,
we still got to put the shocks and shit on.
No, dude, who are we talking about? We.
Yay.
Did they give you masks for the windows and all? So you can run clear windows. Man, bullshit, dude. This is... I'm so pissed right now. I'm so unhappy. Get this piece of shit out of my shop. That makes me sick, dude. For that kind of money, you got the damn sway bars. That is so freaking cool. That blue paint's going to be bad on there, cuz. That's going to be beautiful. With all that chrome, shit. That's going to be gorgeous, dude. What do you think? You trying to? What are you doing? You coming back to racing, or what are you gonna do? Or we're gonna go back to racing, or we're just out here just freaking off?
Put it together and see what happens.
So we're going back to racing because you know what happens if you outrun my ass. It won't happen tomorrow.
I mean, if.
And then if I outrun you, it ain't gonna happen again. Mm-hmm. And next thing you know, we got $2,500 worth of damn late models running around. That is awesome, dude. You like it?
I do.
Well, welcome back, dickhead. It's going to be a Ford or Chevrolet? Chevy. I hear you, Chevrolet. Dude, and I mean, look now. Already got the... Man, jeez. All right, there we go. Trying to get this truck built. Man's not been in the... Well, I'm not going to say racing there. No, we ain't going to call it racing, but we know that's where it's going. We ain't been into nothing like this for how long? How long's it been?
A couple years.
Yeah. We're doing a round tracking. He's filled in the 15 car. Yeah. The 5 and the 15. Whatever happened to that body you had wrapped?
I sold it.
Did you? Yeah. Look at that. Go to hell. Alright, now we'll get around here to this sides. How the hell are you going to come to my damn shop and build this truck that's way better built than the one I've got? I've been had 3-4 years. How the hell is that even possible? Why would you do such a damn thing?
Shit happens.
Like that. There's $20.
You done fucked it up.
Tear the shit up now. Good God. What the frig?
Turned you some bitches a pain in the ass.
This shit wouldn't happen to nobody else. It just happens to us. You realize that? I do like them shocks. Those shocks are way better than what I got, man. And they came out of the flipping box is what I'm talking about.
I like you.
Find the damn hexes, put the damn tires on,
Oh,
man.
yes. Let's see.
I like the wheels. Do like the wheels. I put aluminums on mine at one time, you know, trying to straighten it out, and it was still sloppy as crap. And I threw the brushless at it, and that's when it went all to pieces. That's gonna be bad. Okay. Yes, sir. Step over here, watch this master at work.
Man, that thing of three. Of having
I done learned one damn thing.
Hmm.
I can go get this damn race ready rig for under 200 and not have what I got in mind right now. I can tell you that, because that right there has got me worried. I'm gonna be honest with you. Ain't nobody else up there got that thing. Well, that boy's got that one with that 3300 in it, but that's ridiculous. To me, it is anyway. Don't need that kind of power in that truck. You say, hell, it run good, you know. Mm-hmm. And get out of town with that. Damn thing's just it's gonna be an awesome truck. You got them on there. Yes, sir. I love them tires. Them tires are a lot better than what I got. God almighty. You want freight tires? Man, shot me the fuck down, didn't you?
That is pretty badass.
That's gonna be tight, dude. I ain't lying to you. It is. That damn blue paint. That blue paint on that son of a bitch is gonna be bad. Cause I ain't lying. It's gonna be bad.
Yeah.
Okay, you got a lot of preload in that. That's why it's scrubbing right there. You take the preload out of it, it'll remedy that shit. See right here. Watch that arm. See it raising that arm? Mm-hmm. That's all. That's all it is. You pull it down, it ain't there. Right. And by the time you put a battery shit in, it might set it down anyway. Right. That thing. Yeah, I can just back them out. So the body is ready.
I'm gonna smoke this and I'll spray it.
That's cool. Smoke that, then we'll hit it with a little bit of damn, what you call it?
Yeah.
Alcohol. Clean it up on the inside. Lay it in there thin. Oh yeah. I can actually see better with the light through the damn phone than I can standing here looking at it. Dude, that's gonna be gorgeous. And to be one damn color. You suck, man. Ooh, God, that looks nasty, don't it? Do you really? If it's in the corner, that'd be cool, though. Oh, go to hell. Are you shitting me? Really? Dude, that's like a Ford color. Look at, are you kidding? Look at that. God almighty, look at that, dude. Really? Get out of my, are you shitting me?
I'm gonna put the Ford on it.
The Ford would look right. Look at that.
Fuck. You can still see some.
Look, it don't matter, man. Look. That ain't nothing. We can take duct tape, smack on it, and the white will be behind. That is, oh my God.
That's a pretty color.
That's a pretty son bitch right there. Look at that. Holy shit. Huh?
Take the windows off.
Yeah, I got it here. You can get it? All right, so this is mine. This is the one that started this whole damn journey down this YouTube rabbit hole. And it has been beat rebuilt, beat again, rebuilt, and now here it is. Not bad. Light bar, whatnot. And then my dickhole buddy that hasn't been in the freaking hobby for how long?
A couple years.
Decides he wants one, and here it is. Rampage Pro kit in roller. That thing is gorgeous. The paint is, what's it called? It is Traxxas Brilliant Blue, part number 5054. Backed up with white. And it's got, I mean, it's like anything else. It's got a couple of low spots, but it is not bad. It is beautiful. The compound on these kit tires is so much better than the ready to runs that were on this when I bought it. These tires are actually worth having. It's got all the aluminum as far as the skid plates. It has the Rampage Pro steering kit. It has those damn sway bars on the front. And it also has this sway bar on the back. Sway bars on the back. Dude, you did an excellent job. I think it's gorgeous. And I hate it. And I can't wait to get on the track with you, because I'm gonna put all kinds of damn scratches at it, son of a bitch, with that right there. You did a good job, man. I think it's an excellent job. Truck is awesome. And I'm like you, I don't think, other than the tail lights, it don't need decal one. It really don't. That thing is beautiful. All right. Got my ass kicked again.
Song.